A living vampire, or Russian Koldun, is considered to be a man who has been possessed by an evil spirit during his lifetime, and they would surrender to it and become a living vampire. It is believed that since a living vampire is a sinful and bad person, he cannot die easily. He has been suffering for a long time, because the earth will not receive his bones. Since his access to the world of the dead is difficult, he lives and wanders the world and causes mischief, and does the same things as a vampire after death. The Serbian living vampire is very similar to the Russian Koldun, who were believed to be druids or magicians who served evil forces. A Koldun is created after he was taught by another older Koldun, and making an alliance with impure forces. Kolduns hid their activity, so they were not different from other people. It was thought that their souls wanders at night and does evil. One can also become Koldun involuntarily, because Koldun's death is difficult and painful, and they are aware of their end, so they try to shorten their suffering voluntarily or to hand over some objects to someone, because of which that person becomes Koldun. That is why the people did not receive anything from Koldun, who was in torment, so that he would not receive his properties. The deceased Koldun was secured in such a way that a hawthorn stake would be driven into his grave, and before the burial, his heels or veins would be cut below the knee, so that he would not rise from the grave. Such beliefs were widespread throughout Russia and Ukraine. I hope you like this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.